I bought this welder back in 2019. It's still new in the box, and today's the day that I'm gonna finally test it. It's a Chicago Electric Welding Flux 125 welder. It's rated for 90 amps at a 20% duty cycle and up to 125 amps AC. So there's no shielding gas required, no regulators to buy because it's Flux Core, and everything's included here to get you welding on the first day. So here's the welder. I just took it out of the box, and I'll be putting the handle in a few minutes. So it snaps into place, and you do have to take off this screw before you snap it in place and then reattach the screw. You got your ground cable coming out, your 120 volt connector here, and this does require a 20 amp circuit. And you got your MIG gun attachment over here, which is pretty nice. Everything is tangled up here because everything is tied together, and I haven't undone any cable. Now you got your manual, you got your chip and hammer brush combo, you got a 1 pound spool of 0.03 inch Flux Core wooden wire, 4-inch spool. You got a handle for your face shield and the lens. Okay, so it went all the way through, and it's already on this side right here. I'm gonna clamp this back down, put some tension here as well. And I think this should be good. So now we're gonna press a button here. And we gotta increase the wire speed. There we go. It wasn't snapped here in place. I can already feeling. And there you go. So here on the manual, we see that for 1/8 of material, we're gonna use speed number 8 on 0.03 wire on the max current switch. There you go, max and speed 8. As you can see, I went a little bit off the weld. They're not really centered. There is a lot of splatter there. This is a AC welder and Flux Core, but there is a lot of splatter. As you can see, there was some good penetration there. Okay, that's about 2 inches right there. The weld looks real good. Penetration is good. I'll try to do another weld for you guys right here. Now the welds look decent. This is thick material, so it's a little bit harder to heat it up. But 3/16 I think will be the max I would weld. Here in this corner is about 3/8. So, but I'll stick 3/16 as the max, 1/8. Hope you can see that well there. Looks real good. And I actually like the way this one feeds the wire compared to my titanium 140. So my other welder might have an issue, but this one looks pretty good. Okay, we're gonna clean it up. Here's a weld there on the flat, and here's the other one on the corner. So here's my opinion on the Chicago Electric Welding 125 Flux Welder. It's a very economical welding machine. It's good for people that want to learn. It is AC output, so the weld is not that nice, but you still get a strong weld for what it is. You know, it uses a 2-pound spool. I have a 1-pound spool on here right now, but the feeding mechanism on this, it just feels a lot stronger than my titanium 140. I don't know why, but I like the way this welder feeds the wire. Now, if you're somebody new to welding and you know you don't want to see all these knobs here, you can switch to something like this. Has one knob, 2 buttons, on and off, min, maximum, and your wire speed. So look through the manual, or you can look here under the hood, and let's say you're gonna do 1/8 steel, 1 button's on max, wire speed's on 8, and that's if you're using the 0.03 wire. And once again, this is Flux Core wire and not Mega solid wire. It's real nice. Water runs on 120, so long as you have 20 amp circuits, you should be good. Now it's very budget friendly. You know, mine was a little bit under $100, but I've seen them between 100 and about 130 at the most, and they're very good at welders. I mean, if you need to do a little repair on a barbecue pit or a wheelbarrow or whatever it is, I mean, this is a nice little welder. It'll probably be cheaper to buy the welder than hire somebody to do a minor repair, and you get to keep the welder at the end. Other than that, it runs on 120 volts. It's a great little welder, very economical, easy to use, looks clean, it's not too bulky. Still got to put the handle on here, but it's a nice little welder. So if you had thoughts about getting a welder and you're on a budget, I would get the one here on the left, the 125. If you have a little bit more money to spend and you know you want something a little bit better, you can get one of these. These are closer to $400. I don't know about today's price, but they're close to $400 by what I researched lately. And you know, these are about 125 or something. But anyways, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know below. You know, watch my channel, watch my other videos I have, and I'll be posting more videos on these welders later on. Thank you.